Hi there! In the previous videos of this series, we configured the core mobile services, voice calls, SMS messaging, and mobile internet. Now it's time to bring everything together and bundle these services into a single offering. We'll create a bundle with voice, messaging, and data allowances, create a product, and link the bundle to it, and create a mobile subscriber account and assign the product to it. In this video, we'll create a balance-dependent renewable bundle. This type of bundle is commonly used for prepaid MVNO services. It has a defined lifetime and can automatically renew as long as the subscriber has enough funds on their balance. Our bundle will include 100 minutes of voice calls to Spain, 10 GB of mobile internet, 50 SMS messages in Spain. The bundle will have the following settings: activation and renewal fee €9.99, bundle lifetime 30 days, auto-renewal enabled. So if a subscriber has at least €9.99 available at the end of the current life cycle, this amount is charged and a new bundle life cycle starts. Rollover of unused service units to the next life cycle enabled. Bundles don't work with individual phone prefixes. Instead, they apply to groups of prefixes, for example, all destinations within a domestic country. This allows you to define bundle allowances, such as minutes or messages, for the entire destination group at once. So before creating a bundle, we'll create a code group set. Go to Service Catalog, Code Group Sets, and click Add. Enter a descriptive name for the code group set, for example, Europe. Leave the typeset to regular. Click Save. Open the newly created code group set and click Add to create a code group. Enter the name and description, for example, Spain. Click Save. Now let's add phone prefixes to the code group. On the code group page, click the default All Rate Codes group. Use the Rate Code search panel to find the required prefixes, for example. Then click Apply Filters. On the rate code list, select all prefixes you want to include and click Assign to Group. Select the Spain code group and click Assign. The selected prefixes are now added to the code group. Make sure the same prefixes are used both in the code group and in the customer tariff. Bundle matching is based on rate codes, so consistency here is critical. Now let's go to the bundle list and click Add. Name the bundle Basic. Set the currency to Euro. Select the Europe code group set. Leave balance-dependent renewable bundle type. We'll set the activation or renewal fee to €9.99 and enable auto-renewal on insufficient funds. Set the bundle lifetime to 30 days with the same expiration time as it has been activated. The bundle can be managed by administrator only. Choose Matches the rate exactly as the lookup type. Click Save, and then move on to configuring the bundle items, one per service. First, we'll add voice calls. Select Spain as code group. Set measure to service used. Allow 100 minutes. Enable rollover of unused units. Here is a crucial part. We'll enable the rollover of unused units to the following bundle cycle, but remember, only one rollover is allowed per cycle, meaning that if the customer has 100 minutes from the first bundle cycle rolled over to the second bundle cycle, any remainder of these 100 minutes will be lost in the third bundle cycle if unused. Keep in mind that during the next bundle cycle, the rolled over units will be consumed first. Next, let's configure top-ups. 30 minutes for €3.99, valid for 7 days. 60 minutes for $4.99, valid for 7 days. Under Notifications, enable notification of the remaining main volume drops to 80%. Main volume depleted notification. Top-up volume depleted notification. Top-up expiration notification. For example, 5 days before expiration. These notifications encourage users to purchase additional top-ups. Now let's configure internet access. Select the LTE service. Choose Data as the code group. Set the measure to service used. Allow 10 GB of data. Set the behavior to limited when the volume is used up. Enable rollover. Configure top-ups. 2 GB for $2.99 and 5 GB for $7.99. Since we are using percentage-based notifications, the notification settings are the same as for voice calls. Let's click Save and configure our last bundle item, messaging. Select the messaging service. Choose Spain Mobile as the code group. Set the measure to service used. Allow 50 messages. Enable rollover. Configure notifications as before. And there you have it. Our basic bundle is all set up and ready to go. Now let's create a product and link the bundle to it. Go to Service Catalog, Products, and click Add. Set Basic Name. Leave Product tab Main. Select Currency Euro. Managed by. Since we are setting up a service without the involvement of resellers, leave Administrator only here. Choose an access control list for accounts with the product assigned. It controls which objects end users can access and which actions they can perform. We'll leave here Account Self-Care. Select Mobile to associate this product with mobile subscribers in the Account Role field. Click Save. Under Services, add Voice Calls. Voice calls incoming. The service created to prevent the deduction of incoming call minutes from the bundle. Internet access, messaging, and mobile service provisioning. It is used for subscriber data provisioning into the mobile network. Now let's configure user charges for the product. We've got some tariffs pre-created for each service, so let's quickly add them. Add the following tariffs. Customer voice incoming for incoming calls with an access code incoming. Customer voice outgoing for outgoing calls without an access code. Customer LTE tariff for internet access without an access code. Customer SMS tariff for messaging without an access code. Add the bundle to the product. We can't forget to add our bundle to the product. Go to Charges, General Info, and select Basic as the default bundle. Cool! Our product is ready. Let's hop over to our mobile subscriber, Bob Rogers. We need to create a prepaid customer for him and no pair of accounts. You usually need to create one customer for each retail prepaid user. Go to Sales, Customers, and click Add Customer. Set the name Bob Rogers. Set Prepaid in the Balance Control option. Set Available Funds, the amount of funds available for the customer to spend on services. For example, €9.99 for bundle activation. If the customer has a debit account, the account's funds will be used. A business model defines what type of services is to be provided to the customer. Select Mobile for this customer. Next, under Accounts, we'll create a new debit account, assign the basic product to it, and add €20 to this balance. Once we create the new account with the basic product containing the basic bundle, €9.99 is immediately deducted from Bob's balance, confirming that the bundle is activated correctly. And that's it! In this video, we brought together everything we've covered so far: voice calls, mobile internet, and messaging, and bundled these services into a single product for our MVNO. In the next and final video of this series, we'll do a quick recap of the entire configuration flow and summarize what we built step by step. See you in the final part!